You got me?
Yeah, I can't see you, but I got you for the most part, and I can hear you.
Alright. You see me?
Yeah, I see. I can see you good
I'm
here.
Matt. That's Pat. This right here is my bedroom, right? I'm sure you hear this bitch. You hear that? I hope this thing is recording good.
I'm not gonna see you in the dark, but I can hear you.
Let me explain something. For the past month, this shit has been going on. Oh, this is my buddy.
Come in the light more.
This is my buddy. Say hi.
You so close up on me. Let me show me the gun again.
I'm gonna shut this shit up, seriously.
Okay, she has a gun. You can't see it good. It's nighttime.
Oh shit, he's in the bush. I don't think I can get him from here.
Aim at the bush. Can you see it?
Nah. Just record this shit though.
Yeah, you record it. Let me see if I get it.
Safety's on.
Safety. How you take the safety off? Like that. How you take the safety off?
Just don't point it at me.
How you take the safety off?
Alright, this is my backyard. This right here is still my bedroom. Don't point it at me. The hell was that?
I don't know if it was pressure or what.
Fuck. Just listen. Don't fuck with nothing. Don't point it at me. Yeah. Go get Jay. I'm gonna just keep recording this little bitch for a while longer. On top of the bird, there's also a cricket in this bush right here by my bathroom window, but it shut up when we walked out here.
Oh.
Alright, he coming back. He coming back. That bitch laughing at you. Don't waste it all. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. It's laughing at you. Put the safety back on, bro. There's snakes in that alley. Come on, just forget it. You can't see it. It's too dark. Safety back on. Safety back on. Don't shoot me.
I tried. Let's go back into the light. I aimed. Yeah, you can see the fire. He shut up for a minute, but I think I hit him because he
started laughing, bro. He started laughing at him.
That was messed up.
I know you heard it. He started laughing at me. You missed the bitch.
Well, I tried.
Alright, let's get up and get back in. Put that up, put it up, put it up, put it up.
Alright. Well, we tried. Yeah, so that's the end of that video. This thing recorded for a while, though.
He's still going, man. He laughing at us.